mall. So, ano man business capacity ni RMJR? So, ang organization namin, halos kompleto yan. Meron kaming, ang second in command ko is my manager. I'm the general manager. So, meron tayong accounting personnel, meron tayong human resource, then we have also the logistics section, and most of all, yung nag-o-assign nyo ay yung marketing section ko. Siguro, dapat ipakilala ko rin sa inyo yung composition at yung mga personnel belonging to market section. Kasi from time to time, kung kayo ay matutuloy dito sa